I put one up way back when was it? 22nd of September it was. As you can see, it goes up and it looks alright. It's quite cute, my wife says. There's a video on my channel about putting up the Ring camera and how easy it was. Thing is, I never knew at that point how long the battery was going to last. I was putting it up because we were going to be away for a few weeks, and I thought, well, do I want to run in all the wires, or am I happy to just go with the battery? I got the battery operated doorbell, and I decided that that wasn't going to be good enough because we were going to be away for 90 days. And I had the battery operated doorbell, but that was a decision that I regretted because I then thought, well, hang on, if it stops working, we got no doorbell, and I don't like that idea. So therefore, I decided to put the transformer on it, and I showed that in the installation. It was one of those things where you start off thinking it's going to be easy, and then you realise that you've not thought of things or whatever. However, I must say that the Ring stick-up camera has not been a disappointment. It's been out there since the 22nd of September. I charged it when I first got it. I charged it overnight. It takes a while to charge they give you a lead to charge it. I've then put it in and monitored it. I can tell you it's still going at the moment, and today's date is the 20th of the 2nd 2025. So it's been going for, what's that, 3, 4, 5 months. 5 months it's been going. Admittedly, it isn't doing the full thing now. I'll show you how I know it's running low, because if you go onto the app, the display saying that it's struggling. But what I thought was even more interesting was this. I actually got emails. Charge up your Stickcam 3 3rd generation now. The battery. This is the most recent email I got. Your stick-up cam 3rd generation is at 5% battery. It's time to charge the battery on your stick-up cam 3rd generation before it turns off. When I went on to the actual app, it said that there was it wouldn't do live view, but it was still recording and doing the motion detection. So it's doing everything except for giving me the ability to give a live view. I'm pretty impressed with that. So it means it's been going since the 22nd of September. It's now the 20th of February, and it's still going. Didn't have to worry about being away for 90 days because it lasts longer than that. Hope that's of some interest to you. Yeah, I hope you got some value out of that. I hope that's given you some information you didn't otherwise have. And yeah, the camera's just pointed in the back garden. It's not doing an awful lot, but it's doing it all the time. Well, we've gone past midnight, so it's now 00:45, and it's on the 21st of the 2nd, 2025, and this is the picture, and I haven't charged it up yet. And I think you'll agree that's not bad for a nighttime picture. There's only a small amount of leakage from our kitchen. The rest of it is the infrared built in. I think that's pretty good. And we kept monitoring it for the 90 days we were away. It was ever so nice to be able to see what was going on. That's it. Thank you very much. Catch you another time. Bye bye.